Good afternoon and welcome to the Buzz Center. We're here talking with another great company working in medical countermeasures. I'm happy to introduce you to Ken Hillan, who's the CEO of Achaogen. Ken, tell us something about the work that you guys are doing in medical countermeasures.
Sure, Phyllis, thanks very much. So Achaogen is a company in South San Francisco in California, and we've been dedicated to the discovery and development of antibiotics for gram-negative infections, including those for treating medical countermeasures. So I guess in terms of Achaogen, in terms of what we do in medical countermeasures, there was a pretty good match in terms of the things we were doing for public health and also the things that the government was interested in. If you take our lead program, plasmamycin, it's an antibiotic that was specifically engineered to be resistant to enzymes that modify aminoglycoside antibiotics. So it maintains its activity when other aminoglycosides are inactive. And when we explored the potential medical utility of this molecule, we were interested in the dual health threat. That is, first of all, for the treatment of multi-drug resistant infections in hospitals, and then also for the national health security threat for the treatment of medical countermeasures. So there was a really good match in terms of what we were doing and what the government was interested in.
Excellent. Why has your company decided that this is the right area for you to pursue?
Well, it's a great question. I think it's a really great thing for the company to be pursuing this. One, the discovery and development of antibiotics is very hard from an economics perspective, and what the combination of venture funding with government funding has really provided us with a very sustainable business model for the development of novel antibiotics. It's given us some financial security in the business, this private-public partnership. Also, it's been a really important thing for our employees. They care deeply about what we can do both for treating patients in hospitals with serious infections, but also for being part of the national health security mitigation strategy. So that's why we're interested in this area.
What would you tell other small companies that are considering getting into business with the U.S. government for medical countermeasures?
Well, I guess the first thing is this is really important. This national health security threat is big, and the work that you do could potentially save the lives of hundreds of thousands of people. From a pragmatic perspective, the government is able to provide you with resources, so for example, financial resources, which can help to support great ideas and great products, so that's a really good thing for young businesses coming along, small businesses like Achaogen. The second thing is, for small businesses, I actually think that the government support can really help you with mitigating risk. They bring to the table lots of really good expert people in the field and can really help you to avoid the pitfalls that maybe some other companies would have gone through. So those are just a couple of things where I think that really can provide an advantage to companies like ours.
Excellent. Thank you very much for sharing your experience with BARDA, and good luck with your work at Achaogen. Thanks so much for joining us.